Hi everyone, this is Larry Kearney. Welcome to my review video of the new course by Robin Palmer. It's called The Money Bullet. Now this is a course that says that in 3 steps you'll make your first payday using free AI and your phone. No camera, no experience, no monthly fees, just a simple process that's already put money in people's pocket already starting this first week. This gentleman, Robin Palmer, has had students make over $1,000 in a week. He had one student make $6,000 in 30 days. Now, this is a simple process. The course has not been released yet, so I can't show it to you. And he's also giving you, it's only $17, and he's giving you a full refund. If for any reason you don't feel like it's making you money or it's not working, we get rid of all those problems or doubts, because he'll give you a full refund of your money within 30 days. So folks, check it out. This is not on the market yet, but when it hits the market, it's going to sell very well, because he has sold many courses online, and the courses he has always generated some results. So, everybody's results are different, but with this one, we're talking about using AI, free AI, to start generating money within your first week. So check it out. This is Larry Kearney. This course again is called Money Bullet. Click the link below to get started today. As I said before, all you're risking is $17, and he gives you a 30-day money back guarantee. Okay, check it out. Click the link below. I'd like to thank everybody for watching my video, and I'll see everyone in the next video.